Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by ensuring Windows has room and power. Free at least 20% disk space, delete temp files, and uninstall large unused apps. Once done, plug the PC into power and prefer wired Ethernet for reliability. Open Settings, go to System About, and note the current build so you know progress. Then navigate to Settings Windows Update and click Check for updates. This starts the process while preserving your data. I'll explain deeper fixes next if it stalls. If updates fail, run the built-in Windows Update troubleshooter first. It fixes common permission and service issues. Next, reset update components. Stop Windows Update and bits, rename or clear the software distribution and catroot2 folders, then restart those services to force fresh downloads. If corruption is suspected, run dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health, then sfc/scano to repair system files. These commands rebuild the update pipe. After resets and repairs, reboot and immediately check Windows Update again. Install any pending driver updates afterward to avoid conflicts. If the normal path still fails, use the Media Creation tool to perform an in-place upgrade. This preserves files while replacing system components and often clears stubborn update blocks. Make sure you create a restore point before major moves so you can revert. If problems persist, note error codes and consult logs in Event Viewer to target the remaining issue.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.